All right, so I got a question for you guys. How many of you have heard of a SCAFFA? Now, as savvy as my audience is, I'm gonna go out and venture that most of you haven't. But if you have heard of a SCAFFA, let me know down in the comment section because I wanna send you guys a prize. It's gonna be a shirt that says Mr. Know-It-All or Mrs. Know-It-All, all right? But for those of you that don't know what a SCAFFA is a style of drink that was very popular back in the 19th century. I'm talking about during the days of Jerry Thomas. But it has since fallen out of fashion. Now, what exactly is a SCAFFA? Well, a SCAFFA is a drink that is made using no dilution. I'm talking about no water and no ice. So all it is you, your glass, and some booze. Now, while the SCAFFA has fallen out of fashion, it has seen a bit of a resurgence in recent years thanks to guys like Southern Teague of Amaro Averna. Now, the thing about the SCAFFA is that the origins of the cocktail or the drink are very unclear, as is the name SCAFFA. It's said to have maybe originated in Italy, where it's an old term for cupboard, and basically because you would take stuff in the cupboard and make a drink out of it, and there you go, that was your SCAFFA. As with many of these very old, cocktail terms, no one really knows what the hell they're talking about. They just make shit up. You know what I'm saying? But it sounds good, right? But anyway, I'm going to go ahead today and make you guys 3 different SCAFFAs using Amaro because it's Amaro season. I love Amaro, and why the hell not, right, folks? So I've never had any of these. I'm really excited to try them out. But before I do that, I'm gonna need you guys to go ahead and hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and that notification bell so you can help Vino feed the hungry algorithm, and make sure you stick around because we're gonna boogie down. All right, so here we have, folks, our 3 SCAFFA cocktails. Let's go ahead and give them all a sippy sip. First, we'll start with the open and shut cocktail, which is Lucano and Cognac. Cheers. That's really nice. That is really, really great. I think what helps a lot is that the Amaros are sweet. They're lower in ABV. So they really help to, really absorb the impact of some of the strength of the regular spirit, the base spirits and stuff, But in this case, it's really 1.5 ounces of Amaro and only 1/2 ounce of Cognac, so it's definitely on the sweeter side anyway. Oh yeah, that's delicious, guys. Oh yeah, very nice. Delicious after dinner drink too, perfect, perfect. All right, so next we're gonna do the rum SCAFFA, which is the Barbados Rum, which is the plantation, some Cynar, and orange bitters. So 3 things that I love. Cheers. Oh man, forgot about it. That is really good. You guys know I love Cynar, that's my favorite Amaro. And it is so well balanced in here. I mean, this is really, really good, guys. Oh yeah. 2 for 2, guys. We're gonna be all right tonight, I think. Even if this one sucks, we got 2, that's good. All right, folks? Again, with the Cynar version, you're getting the Cynar in, it's there, it helps to mellow out the rum. You're getting some of them beautiful bitter notes that you get from the Cynar, some of the vegetal stuff from the Cynar, plus the vanilla notes that you get from the rum. Very, very nice. And a lot of citrus going on here too, especially because of I'm expressing the orange peels over them, you know, all the citrus peels. All right, and last but not least, our Black River #1, which is Jamaican rum, which is my favorite type of rum. It's Averna, which I love, and it's also some coffee liqueur. Now, the original calls for Kahlua, which is sweeter. I don't have that. I have Mr. Black, so I'm wondering if it's gonna have an impact on the recipe here. And if it does, you know, maybe I just have to add a little bit of simple syrup to it to see if it makes a difference or not. All right, cheers. And on this one, the nose is actually the coffee. You know, Mr. Black has very strong coffee notes, a very strong coffee flavor. Cheers. Oh, see, I like that. I like that a lot. I think Kahlua would hurt this cocktail. Because again, with the Amaros in this already, you already got enough sweetness in it. And I think adding the Kahlua, the additional sweetness to the Kahlua would be probably the wrong way to go. I'm sure it's delicious. No, you know, no offense to Mr. Clapham here, because he makes great cocktails. But I think the Mr. Black is perfect, at least for a guy with my palate. Remember, I don't like big, sweet cocktails. So this is really, really good. And I think the coffee notes are great. It really helps to bring out even more of those bitter notes of the Amaro. Yeah, it really ups it. Oh man, I gotta tell you guys, if you enjoy Amaro, if you enjoy boozier style of drinks, if you want something that's gonna be kind of mellow, easy to drink, especially like a beautiful nightcap, I think the SCAFFA is the way to go. I mean, these are 3 delicious recipes, and honestly, like, it's not hard to just probably come up with your own. You know, pick one of your favorite Amaros, you know, split it with one of your favorite base spirits, you know, hard liquors. Maybe add a bitters in there, and you got yourself a delicious scafa that you can enjoy for the night, you know what I'm saying? So guys, I'm going to just sit here right now and tell you guys that these are 3 delicious scafa cocktails. I really hope you guys try them out. It's Amaro season. This is only the beginning of what I'm bringing you guys with Amaro. I got some other cool stuff coming up. If you like this video, please press like, please subscribe, and please share with your family and friends. Remember, sharing is caring, and when life gives you lemons, make yourself a cocktail. Cheers.